Hi everyone, welcome back to our Islay life. Just a quick summer garden update to see how things are looking, the good bits and the not so good bits. First up, a quick look at the potatoes. I honestly wasn't sure if some of these had worked. Some of the plants wilted away quite early. But look at these. I was so surprised to see some good looking potatoes come out of this bit. As you can see by my face, I'm absolutely chuffed. I'm only going to dig enough up for dinner tonight, and we'll leave the rest for harvesting later.
They've grown into the mesh. Oh, they are good tatties. Where do we get them from?
I think that'll do us.
Yep, that's plenty.
Yay!
And these don't go to waste, straight into the compost bin. Obviously homegrown things need a cute little basket to transport them to the kitchen. And here's the end product. Homegrown potatoes and venison. It was delicious. It's not all wins though. The beetroot leaves have got a bit of a disease. I think it's leaf spot, which is caused by warm, wet conditions, which is what we've been having here on Islay over the last few weeks. So I'm trimming off the worst leaves to help the rest. It will either work and we get nice big beetroot growing, or we harvest tiny beetroot. We can only try. And this is what it looks like now. The leaves that I've picked off, again, don't go to waste because we're just going to pop them straight over into the compost bin. Look at the colour of my fingers now after doing that. Okay, so now a quick look at the tomatoes. They're still green at the moment, but there's lots of flowers now. Fingers crossed for a good harvest later in the summer. We've put a bit of support on the big plant as it was starting to lean over to the side. On another note, look at these onions. They're absolutely amazing, and look at the thickness of some of them. We've got plenty growing there to keep us going. And the spring onions look like they've survived being transplanted. Nice to see something thriving. These will keep us going for plenty of salads and dinner. The lettuce is also looking great, and there's loads to pick. Parsnips are still growing nicely as well. In the last week, these carrots have grown so tall. Let's see how big they get over the next few weeks. So that's this week's little update from our Islay garden. It's always a mix of surprises and challenges, but that's what we love about it. We hope you're enjoying following along. If you are, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one.